it was my dream. Actually, it was my family dream, of course, and it is happening. And I can't believe, because this outside it will be blue because my some subscribers did write me, Faruk, change the color blue. Welcome to my home.
Welcome to home.
Welcome. Bana da mı öttürdün ya? Welcome to my home. Hello everyone, it's me Faruk Acar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? Today I'm in my town, not village, of course. I came to my house, new house, of course, because we are fix it our house. Yeah, I show you my before. It's old, broke. It's not good. Now it's fixing. Professional guys is painting and fixing, and I'm helping. And I wanna show you this time. I will show you. Okay, come. Of course, my mom here too. She clearing her garden, and professional guys is working. Look at this. Look, before here is broke, it's down, but right now he's fixed like that. Like it's continue fixing. Now I'm in the downstairs, and here is really bad. Looking bad because long years anybody don't stay here, and every wall is done, dirty, something like that, And now we are fix it here. We will paint again. Look. Before here is down, broke, and we fix it. Same things here. We will change color, we will paint again wall because it's bullshit. And I will show you sit area. Look. Here is sit area. It was broke, but it's okay right now. And my brother. It's working. And open kitchen. Yeah, here is kitchen. Here is shower, bathroom. Yeah, it will change. It will continue fix. Hi guys, yeah, it's finished finally. Garden is okay. Did you like my glow? Yeah, it's really fresh. It's good. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard, but it's good. I feel good. You are fixing our house. It's okay. It's good. Now we are cleaning a garden with my mom, and I'm really tired. By today. Building outside is finished. It's ready for paint. Look, it's fixed, and we will paint. Yeah, everything's continue, and it will be awesome.
Yoruldum. Hava olmuyor hiç. Kahve pişirdi, kahve içelim bir.
İçelim. Sen yoruldun mu?
Yoruldum tabii. Allah.
Now I will show you which color we will paint inside. Look. It is for inside, like blue and green, you know. It's good, I think. We did choose this color because, you know, inside is dark, no more light, and we will paint this color. It's cool. It's cool. This outside will be blue because some subscribers did write me, Faruk, change the color blue to paint the blue, and I was thinking, why not? Because blue is my favorite color. And of course I can, and I was asked my mom, do you want the blue paint? Do you want blue? And she said, yeah, it will be cool, and we will paint blue and white. It will be awesome, I think. We'll see. Yeah. Now we will going to a village, and tomorrow early we will come and we will continue fix. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Today is second day and we came late because we have the business in the village. We will eat lunch right now. I will show you what we will eat. Look. It is for a worker, you know. Look. Today my brother here, he will work with us. Now we ate and we will start paint. Yeah. Today we will finish downstairs and later we will continue upstairs. I think I will don't see outside paint because I have to go to Izmir, and I don't know. We'll see. Tomorrow I will go to Izmir, I think, because I have to work. But I will show you last version my house. Yeah, I will show you. Now I will paint and I will help. Yeah, not too much, but I will paint. Yeah, okay, go. Look, it will look like that. Blue, white, and it's not finished, of course. We will paint again because, you know, it will be more good. I don't know, it will be nice. We are waiting for dry. Yeah, I think it's looking really good. What do you think? Just first second because it's for wall, and we will paint again second time and it will be much better. Yeah. We will clear this area. This is like garage. We will put goal. I think it's true for winter, for stone. You know, we will put inside. But right now everything there and it's dirty. We will clear with my brother. Yeah, he will, because yesterday I clear my garden. Look. Yesterday I cleared there with my mom, but he not work together with us. Now he will work inside. He will clear inside.
Onlar tahta değiller.
My brother is working here because, you know, here is not saved. Look, it's broke like that. It's not saved. Yeah. Yeah, you know, I love my brother. If happening something, it's happening, you know. It's okay. He working for me. I'm kidding. I tired. It's okay. It's good. Now we are fixing a kitchen cupboard. Yeah, with my friends. He technical. Yeah, like me. And we are fixing, but he are hungry first. He eating. Me too. Başardım lan. Ya sırrı çözdüm. Allah Allah. I did.
Yaşlılık zor.
Allah razı.
Hiçbir dakika.
Ne oldu şimdi?
Sanki bir şey kırıldı.
Ya. Ne alakası?
Kırılabilir.
Ne alakası?
Öğrenelim bakalım bu iş anlamına gerekiyor. Yaktırın.
Başarılı. Allah Allah Allah. Allah Allah Allah. Oy. Tamam. Bir kaldı bu. Bir bu.
Çıkarsak?
Tamam tamam. Evet.
Peki yeni bir
Çek bakayım bir açsın geliyor.
hiç oynamaya gerek yok.
Yani tamam. Yeah, now we're fixed and everything's okay. It's working, but I know it's old. I will change, but not right now because I am broke. I will change maybe next year, next year. I don't know. I will. Okay. Hey, today is third day. Yeah, after we start 3 days ago, and now in downstairs inside is done. It's finished. Look, of course we will continue paint, but you know, a big part is done. It's finished. Look, I will show you. Now I will show you upstairs. It is done, but not really because we are continue painting the kitchen. But living area, here is living area. It is looking like that. It's same down building, downstairs. It's same, and it's looking like that. First room is looking like that. Yeah. It's same. It's and other room. It's looking like that. I think it is really good. Yeah, we will continue afternoon. If today we finish the inside, we will start outside. Yeah. Okay, go. Hi guys. Now I'm sitting, I'm resting, and I want to talk to you. You know, when I come here in the morning early, sometimes I'm sit here and you know I'm just thinking. It's happening. It's really happening. It's really happening. You know. It was my dream. Actually, it was my family dream, of course, and it is happening, and I can't believe, you know, because you know it's hard, but you know. Anyway, just I'm thinking, wow, we did. It's awesome, and you start thinking, wow, you did, Faruk, and you get it, and yeah. When I think like that, I feel good. I feel strong, you know. Okay, Faruk, you did this. Okay, good. But you have to continue, and you have to do better, much good. Yeah, you know, it's all time like that. You have to work for best. Yeah, you know, and I will work too hard for my family, for my life, and I will continue all the time. Yeah, because this feeling is really awesome. You know, when I sit here and I'm thinking, you did, Faruk, and it's important. You know, because I did, we did, and its feeling is awesome, and I will work for this. You know. Yeah, I don't know. Just I want to talk. Yeah, it's like that. and yeah, we have to go. We have to continue. Anyway, just I will rest. Later I will continue. Paint, respect. Yeah, go. Yeah, my mom. she cleaning inside everywhere. Every morning she say wake up Faruk, we have to go new house. We have to clean. Yeah, every morning. Okay, go. Şimdi şey yapacağız bak. Welcome to my home diyeceksin hadi.
Welcome to home.
Bağıracağım biraz. Welcome to my home.
Welcome to home.
Welcome. Bana da unutturdun ya. Welcome to my home. It is my room. Yeah.
Güzel olmuş mu?
Güzel değil mi? Beğenmedin mi?
Ya ötekinden iyi olmuş canım.
Ha, eskisinden iyi değil mi?
He. Kirlenirsen.
Kirlenmez ya, ne olacak?
Sen kirlenirsen sen de öyle.
ben ne yapayım be?
Sen batırıyorsun. Sen pasaklıyorsun.
Now you are watching this video and I'm editing. Yeah, you know, I didn't see outside painting because I came to Izmir and I am working here and I didn't help, but it's done, it's finished, and my brother was sent me video last finally video, you know. And he took video with my mom, and my mom is super cute, you know. You can understand who is my mom. She speaks English like me, and yeah, she's super. She's really fast. I love my mom. Anyway, I hope you like a new look of house. I hope, because my mom is love it. Me too, of course. I know it's not best house, but it's best house for us. It's awesome for us. Yeah, I hope maybe nature it will we can buy new house much better. I hope, but right now it's best for us. Yeah, because it's our. Anyway. I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now because we clean, we paint, we reward. Yeah, everything is ready for us, and we will mow soon time later, and we will start live there. New house, new moment, new life. It will be awesome. I hope it will be awesome. Yeah, guys, I'm sharing with you this moment because you are important for me, and yeah, it's good memory for us. I'm finished the video here, and I love you so much. Please take care. Bye bye.